Body two strike zone, man. We're here again. Now that you're trading, love it. Now that you got a trading plan, great it. Now that you know risk management, now we got to get into, man, you got to check your work, man. Unfortunately, sometimes there's going to be some losses. And when there's losses, we call them lessons. You need to learn from those lessons. What should you learn? Man, you should learn how you made the mistake, why you made the mistake, what you should have done differently. That's what we're going to talk about today. What should I have done differently? Did I miss a sign? Did I misread something? Man, all things we're going to get covered today. So let's go. Right now, I have a chart up, the NAS 100, and right now there is a sell on here. Now, looks like this sell is about to get stopped out. It's just a mock trade, so you can see it. And you want to kind of understand why you took that trade, why that trade potentially lost, and then make sure you go back and do your homework. Back in the day when you had to check your work, we're going to check our work today. All right, so this trade is still open right now, but looks like it's about to stop out here any second here. Now, the first thing first is this trade is going against the trend. The trend is going up, 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 up. And for some reason, you're selling against that up. And so that would be your first reason. I do see there is a selling candle here that may look like a good idea, but overall, we're actually still going against our trend. So that would be number one reason why you lost that trade. You always want to go with the trend. The trend is your friend. Counter trend trading can be profitable, but man, you definitely want to stick with the trend. So that's number one, man. Checking my work. This didn't work out because I didn't follow the trend. Now I'm gonna deep dive into this really quick here and see when you just saw this, it looked like a good idea to sell. And if you would have sold from right here, maybe not a bad idea. And even right here, it actually wicked down. So I mean, there was some selling opportunities, but overall, we know the trend was up. And so we should have been really looking for a buy opportunity, not necessarily a sell. But you got to go back and check your work and see why you lost. Was that an emotional trade? Was that, man, I just feel like it's going to go that way? Did you do your fundamental homework? So let's go. In this particular case, we do have a selling candle with a signal. So that is potentially an opportunity to sell. So, hey, you got one piece. We do not have the trend, and we even had the momentum. What do I mean by that? Well, there we go. The candle is below these bands right here. So we had the momentum too, and we had the selling candle. We did not have the trend though. And you want as many pieces of the puzzle to be put together before you take that trade. And so you lost this trade, or you're about to lose this trade. Then you got to go back in and do your homework. Why did I take this trade? Why did I lose this trade? And was this fundamentally sound to my trading? Once you answer those three questions, once you do your work, once you get over your once you get over your pouting, now it's time to get back in the market and go back, and learn from this lesson. Learn from this lesson. You're going to learn way more from your losses or lessons than you ever could from your wins. Man, wins turn you into a junkie, but losses make you a professor, and they make you disciplined. They make you strong, or they make you quit. Either way, they're going to make you do something. But hopefully they make you be a professor and go back in and start dissecting your trades and say, hey, here's the problem. I'm doing this. Here's the problem. I'm doing that. Here's the problem. I'm doing this. And so once you get to that point, it's going to really help you change your trading game. Man, go back in, do your homework, figure out why you lost the trade before you take another one. The more times you see why you lost, I guarantee you're going to stop making those mistakes and turn those losses into wins.